Alright, in this video we're going to go over some more tools within Extrude, including adding a taper, so adding the edges coming in at once, and also we'll go over some more measurement things. So we're going to create a sketch and go home again. This time I'm going to start with a rectangle. I'll start the center rectangle because I like to have things centered on the origin. And let's do that 3 by 1.5. So I'm going to start with that, I'm going to finish, and I'm going to go to extrude, and I'll tell it how tall to be. So you can see it's snapping kind of every 10th. If I zoom in, now it's going to snap at a smaller increment. So if I want it to be there, and kind of depending on how far in and out you're zoomed, so now it's going every 5. It'll change what that increment is for the drag. You can always just type it in here or click in here. Since this is highlighted automatically, you don't have to click on in here to highlight it. You can just type what you want it to be and it'll go. So the taper angle here, so first let's put new component. The taper angle is going to give us if it's going to come in or out. So if I put a taper angle 10, you can see it's going to go out at 10 degrees because it's adding material, so it's going to go out. If I do a negative 10, now it's going to come in and subtract material at an angle of 10 degrees. So you can see there from the vertical to there, that's 10 degrees coming in. I can also use this here to change what that is. So it's a useful tool for making angle pockets and things like that. So it's there. We also want to be able to look at some other things within this. So I have this component now. So if I right click on the component and go to properties, now I can look down and see some information about it. So by default, Fusion assigns the material of steel to everything, and steel has a density of this. But our model itself has a volume of this. So if you multiply the density times the volume, you get the weight in ounces. And so that's what it's looking for. And this area here is the full surface area of the part. So we can also click on this individual face to see the area down here. Or we can use the inspect tool and pick a face, and it's going to tell us the area there as well as the perimeter of that face. So, all right, let me know if you have any questions.